Really?
Ana
Send up with
ni ri ka sikhunyana ni huma koho xi le ku ndlekeni hikwalaho ka sikhunyana kona ku vula leswi hi swi tani hikuva mhene rin'wana lo ndhuneni va ka michavi le ndhuneni mhene huma koho a ku byela ku lava va n'wi kona hi tindhuna maxindzo wa lwela ndhawu yi tsanana ku ri ku loko mara loko i xava movha i va chela hi ritshuri a va tleli navusiku vona jelazi mara ka ku hlanganisa timhaka ta tiko a va hlangani.
So minkarhi yin'wana na jamuka minkarhi yin'wana ni jamuka ende ku va munhu a jamuka wo decide minkarhi yin'wana wo jamuka a nga swi ehleketangi kumbe a nga titwangi loko a karhi a jamuka ma twisisi. So na wo ta jamuka u nga titwi ku wo jamuka na loyi a jamuka a nga titwi ku wo jamuka. Na tivhidiyo leti ni ti endlaka nto wun'wana a complain a ku I really welcome criticisms swin'wana swi vona malani fambuleni is very right mavo sometimes I'll react with love or even if I don't react, but trust me maendlele ma ta cinca hi ku ya hi leswiya hina hi nga na malebvu ka vanhu vakulu so ni kombela hi hloniphana loko hi ri vanhu hi na malebvu. So i ri ni hlwela ku nghena mhakeni so ntumbuluko wa minkandziyiso leyi ne yi endleliwe swilo swa ku na loko ni nghena ni nga fiki ni nghena ni nghena timhakeni teketana loko yo beni Mayengani yo Sol Makamu yo Oscar Makamu yo and many more mara in nature to I know ringeta ku lambasta that comment mara no vula hi leswi ni nga swi planisa so a ku na xa ku i my baba jaro flying bacha dano na shit yi mane mo amukelaka the channel that matters the most. Akwalava awulavi it does uku hure the only channel that matters to watch. Yeah, na khensa ka n'wina mi nga subscribe ka channel ya mina and minkarhi wun'wana a ni lava ku vuyisa leswaku mi nga rivali ku subscribe or ni kombela mi subscribe ne mara hi ku se ni toloverile ku teketana ku dush a na ha swi koti ku mi nga rivali ku subscribe ma ni twisisa. Thanks to everyone who have been here, dark days, nice days. Mara ni lavula ku na khensa ka hinkwenu mi ni hlayisaka mi ni sapotaka mi ni seketelaka ni loko mi nga yimi na mina mara still mi vona mikandziyiso ya mina loyi ni lava ku ni lava ku rhanga ni sungula hi i Sol Makamu. So I feel like ngwenya yi vongolela hi game ma vona loyi va ku n'wana wa vongola hi leswiya swa ku loko va vongola leswaku munhu a fika ku vongola ku famba i ku vongola leswiya usually swi endla hi swivanani loko swa ha ri switsongo ma swa mi va xihluvule xirhangisi va ku xi ya ku tipfuneni xi ya xihambukelweni xi ya endla leswi xi faneleke xi endla swona kwale toilet loko xi vuya le xihambukeleni se xi fika xi tlanga hi ku tlanga hi ku leswi a ni swi endle laha ma vo so mi kuma ku xi nge ku va ku u nga vongo so usually va ri wa hi hlolela loko u hi vongolela. So lexi endlaku ni ngwenya yi vongolela hi game number 1 ni vone poster yin'wanyana ya ka MNFM ne yi na swinqambhanqambhana swo tala ngopfu swin'wana swo ka swi nga pfuni nchumu va Nomonde Roger DJ Mfundisi va Henny C. For some reason I feel like Henny C has more fan base than Sol Makamu. Mackenzie might have a fan base, a bigger fan base than Henny C. But Sol Makamu and HIV Mackenzie combined, they have a less fan base than Henny C. Because what I realized is that Sol Makamu, tinsimu ta yena a ti tiveki a Bushbuckridge, definitely na le Mozambique. Loko nga ti tiveki a Bushbuckridge na le Mozambique, a ni vuli ku all the people, ni vula ku majority. You can tell when he's performing, but I love the fact that he doesn't hide it himself. He knows. Loko Africa ingena yi performa ka event yin'wana ya Colbert Bushbuck a ri a khona yi fika laha yi ri mativa tinsimu ta mena. So he relies, like at least he's flexible. He relies more on comedy when things are not working out on the other side, so that the performance still like engageable with the fans. So yeah, anondlula hiko kwalano. So ngwenya loko ni vona that thing ya na Sandleni Chabalala Sandleni Chabalala, on the only time I perform ka kuma nkarhi wa ku performa na futhi yena shem. Yeah, game yung vongolela ka event organizer. I think management ay tlakuse price. So she's very expensive to book here. That's what I'm thinking of. And anga perform here. So la ka poster liyani so Makamu nga kona or HIV makhensa nga kona or makhensa nga kona. That's how it is. Ku na swin'wana uzotwa game yi ku pfalela handle na nini be like yeah na character makhensa, but let's leave that alone. Ngwenya va yi pfalela handle in most cases. Like you check out that event SABC, he works there, he should get that gig. Like it should be a given without fear or favor, because almost everyone wala ka boy go there. And the alternatively va nga fika la va n'wi tisa as an MC, and loko va n'wi tisa la as an MC because u tirha ka MLFM va nge n'wi holeli. A ni swi tivi swa ku endla mali muni kwale ka MLFM, because ni sure ku phela a nga tirhi full time. A nga tirhi full time, tirha Saturday ntsena for 3 hours. Yeah, for 3 hours. I think they are required to arrive an hour before. Yeah, the presenter tin'wana na tin'wana ka MLFM kumbe ka SABC, you are required to arrive an hour before. So loko u fika an hour before, and then you tirha tiawara ta u nga ta ti tirha. So I think he tirha 3 hours per week. So I don't think he's earning a lot of money. They're just doing it for the love of his career, for whatever. But why is he not invited? And why there are so many more people, so many more lava nga invite ka event liye nga le Nkonko? For me, I'm not doing this because I'm promoting that event, but like for me, it's like that's it. Number 2, ni vone Ben Mayengani fill up ya Xilumani, of course. Mara ni vone na swinqambhanqambha swo ka swi nga pfuni nchumu, ni nga ta ka ni nga swi mention hi mavito they are there. Ngwenya a yi vitaniwa. Loko u ta check one of the main event leyi nga ta ya hi le Kara Lounge, because a ya Kara ku va ku ri event ya Chavi, yi va invite Chavi. Ngwenya a nga invitiwa. Chavi ni vula luwa wa manager yo promota Facebook page ya sweswo swa Pretty Precious Malungana sweswo. Yeah, so my point i ku game ya n'wi vongolela Ngwenya not because of his action, mara hi loko vanhu va nga ku lavi. And this is loko vanhu va nga ku lava, they will always show you the middle finger. That's what they be like, hey you motherfucker. You stole my heart. Anyway, I'm getting Benny Mayengani. Benny Mayengani released 2 clips. The first one was kind of and then the second one, boom, and then people are starting to fall in love with him. The thing is, that song is more relatable to the ground. So the ground, so boy, you fall in love with the song because why? Hikokwalaho ka ku hinkwenu na ti-ex leti hi lavaka ku ti kombisa man, this is so hi lava ku twisa ku vava ku you son of but like I think he was trying to bring one of his hits. I said go Ben, I'm fighting alone like Floyd Mayweather, something like that. Like I said go Benny go, I said go Benny go. I mandzika swo yimbelela wa ta ntima nyanga ndzi tsiri ku yimbeleleni ni swi vona ku yeah, so for me I think that's gonna be a hit. A hit a hi mhaka ku wa yi tsakela ngoma. A hit is a hit whether wa yi tsakela u yi tsakeli. It's not about you, it's not about an analyst, it's not about like a hi timhaka ta ku analyst yo karhi ya yi tsakela, analyst yo karhi yo yi tsakela. Mr. Possibility ta ku tala analyst to tala hi nga tsakela swa ka Chauke ntsena. Hi van'wana hi nga ti tsakeli, mara a swi zangi swi cinca ku tingoma ti va hit, ti va ti-hit, ti ve ti-hit and ti-beat. But this is a Guyana like a malamle. Qua, na palavra on the Mr. Post. I was in Palavra for a week. Need to download the tweet. Man, this is so a hit is a hit. For me, Mada is here. It's here. But I think they are getting comfortable. Mara, the singer the shin strenga kui, Munganalone, Munganalone, Maki. munghana lonene yi nga tlanga nghoma ya Nicki Minaj leyi nga na nhlamba pussy what xifahla hinkwaswo leswi va swi tlanga mara nghoma leya bini va nge yi tlangi but I think also because ni realize ku a vo endlela bini ntsena leswaku va nga tlangi tinghoma ta hambi i ku ririmi ra manana ra rhukatela to a certain extent na va twisisa lava nga yima kona because loko u tlanga tinsimu leti ta ku tani i fiki tlanga loko va ala masangu no ku vhela u swi tiva ku ri wena va ku lavi u vula ku vanhu lava nga yingisela la i vanhu lava nga le timovheni mfundhisi ya ku chumayeleni a ku wa humbiwa and then next song yeah you motherfucker you stole my heart. So I think that's intlimbo lowu munghana lonene va nga na wona mara loko ku ri xilungu ni twa ngo a va swi twi maybe a va swi twi ku i xilungu maybe they are compelled by other laws from the upper board so i mavonelo ya meya lawa album ya Oscar Makamu yi ve na the right content powerful content mara a yi fana na wanuna luwa ku ehleketelela yena ntsena loko swi ta ka timhaka ta masangu why hikokwalaho ka sweswi a yi lastanga it all like a yi lastanga it doesn't have the right energy like ingaku o chayela vakokwani lava va ku famba hi tinhonga. That's what you do when you are doing an album. You must do classic songs. I don't want to give an example of any artist because I'm just no favor. Do classic songs, pull up hits, and then different messages. Album Oscar Makamu full of messages and like same average. It's like what the Mtimbani did. Mtimbani same flow, like same voice, same flow. Kuba kun'wana ntsena nga cinca voice nyana eka ku le ka intro. Like towards I think the middle of the intro. That's where he changed the voice. The rest is just moving with the same flow. So once you listen to 4 to 5 songs, every time he raps, it's the same flow. Like look, you can go with him because you know his rap flows. Like ever since day one. So that's what failed Sol Makamu. That's why his album is like a hobo. You want to lava mali. So you made in Carlo hobo even now tshama switarateni loko mi xava ka shop ka Pick n Pay tala June a ni vo tala giyani ka malamulelo Pick n Pay tala giyani ka malamulelo swa fana na Pick n Pay ta le Soweto a xi tali u kuma hobo yi tshame handle ma swi twisisa so swa fana na switori leswi swa Makula swa Pick n Pay ka malamulelo swa ku ya fana na Makula le Hlokani na Makula le Thelamahanshi but not Thelamahanshi mall le complex Mavula complex Muwina mall swi na vusiwana yeah so tihobo ti ta kusuhi na wena because ti lava mali so album liya the reason why it came to us at the beginning is because I love attention ya hina to make money and then once that project is complete failed or passed it's done. That's what happened to that album. It's like a 2 minutes movie. One no ka nga hlweli masangwini like hleketelela yena ntsena once he release the album he gets the money is done. That's what makes him to be irrelevant for 354 weeks and be relevant for 2 weeks. That's what happens. Another Henny C is busy on me, but honestly I enjoy his attention and I are emotional from where I'm looking at it. But smartly so is trying to capture me to make me understand where it's coming from, to make me be soft on it. Sometimes Henny C game yang vongolela. Because his comments are very consistent. So he comments on my post. The posts one I put a post on my Facebook page. My Facebook page is my baba, and then my account is my baba, my baba. If you want to text anywhere, you will find me. Baba. So for me, and capturing me, there are few who can capture me. I know. No, Mara, you see, want shame. Since I read his strategy, I shame. Mission failed. Mara, shame in attention and I enjoy. So for the for my one, really keep posting my thing, keep giving me attention. For money bar, I used to you attention, brand you were acting on SABC and Guyana Land of Blood. And then when we give you attention and you give it back to us, for money you think like when you're rightful man, you think what the one giving you attention. Like really. You think because when I'm finding like my Kovela post, like my Juvel, I post this is a share posted there. You are a typical, you are a typical Kabat like you are a typical Tonga person. I want to say, especially when which I fully agree with Makube. I want to say, especially for my children, he's just a business person who's hustling for his family, and there's nothing wrong with that with what he's doing. But he has no value about Tonga Shem. Another I am a person who cares about Batsonga, he goes to the ground to Batsonga and uplift those people from Kamalamlele, where he comes from, Bushbagridge. I am no Samar Houghton. I understand Houghton, like not opportunities go and the resources stay. But like try to balance there and there as much as you are in business because hey, sometimes it costs you so much done. It helps. So Mar like I saw he's one of his posting my post keep pushing my business, bruh. The fact that for mention one team from a phone, Mulwe, I act like the island of blood, bruh. Don't be a fool, man. Don't be a fool. Don't be a fool. Don't be a fool. Don't be a fool, my man. Where, like, ish, man, for that video, but all I'm saying, I give attention to each and every person whom I feel like they are relevant. So if I give him attention and then he gives it back to me, he's the one giving me attention. Man punchum so far compared to you. Because the name is no. But I reach. Amara is a terrible actor this time around. I mean, you get I'm talking. I can't shoot one.